So hello everyone, this project is about Agentic AI stock market analyzer. So the tech stacks now we are using are FastAPI, React, Hugging Face, Yahoo Finance and News API. Coming to the project, what are challenges you are working in this project are? First of all, the stock market nowadays, the rapid movements are due to the news, the sentiment and technical indicators. So complexity of interpreting these multiple influencing factors is very hard, and the human analysis is very slow and error prone, and traders and investors also struggle to make timely and accurate decisions. So this project we are using to automates analysis to deliver the fast and more reliable insights. So what are now we are doing? In this project, it will autonomously collect the news and financial data from multiple sources, and we also have a sentiment analysis which will give scores based on each and every news and says how the prediction will go. And you also have some technical analysis which will identify the trends and signals. It will give investment strategies like whether to buy or hold or sell the particular share. And also it has the project, it will run a simulation and will give outcome as the projected potential returns and risks. So coming to the architecture, what are you using? In the front end, the architecture uses React, and the backend we are using the FastAPI for the communication between front end and the agents. And then we are coming to the agents. So the AI agents now we are using are news agent, it will collect the news, and market agent which will analyze the stock market data from financial analysis, sentiment agent which gives the sentiment based on the collected news and insights, strategy agent it will strategize a particular plan depending on all these news and other informations. Based on these data, it will give a strategy, and the simulation will also happen simultaneously which will show what will be the outcome based on the decisions you will take. So and that, yeah, these are the 5 agents you use, 6 agents you are using. So now what are the key features in the backend? First one is you are using FastAPI, which is empowering core service like and analyze, and integration of Yahoo Finance, which is a real-time news API which will give many real-time data. And we are also using sentiment analysis for Hugging Face transformers like FinBERT etc. model, which has very high accuracy. And we also detecting the keyword based, so whether the detection fails also it will give a particular standard output. And you also having multiple technical indicators. Now coming to the front end, yeah, these are the things which will have in the front end. It will have interactive stock charts, it will have AI driven investment profiles, it will have analysis of each and everything, and the news articles will be also labeled. So coming to a demo, so this is the flowchart on how the work happens. Not boring you guys? Yeah, so this is how the analysis looks like. If I give TSLA and 30-day investment, it will give the sentiment, the confidence and the project gain for each and every day. So these are the whole strengths, challenges and future decisions we are taking. Now coming to the project, so this is the stock market analyzer project. Now I'm giving a particular stock, I'm giving Google, and I'm giving for 30 days, and my investment amount is $1,000 or $10,000. Based on these data, now you can see in the backend it will start to work. Yeah, it is fetching the information for Google and detecting news etc. And at last successfully it will give the end product. So it's getting some output. Yeah, this is the summarizer. It shows like Google analysis with minus 0.34. So based on these, the current market sentiment and technical indicators. So recommendation, it's telling to sell with 5% portfolio allocation for optimal risk adjustment. So these are the AI recommendations. It will give how much confidence with the plan, it will give investment strategy, it will give the risk assessment, and how much exit strategy, etc. So yeah, this is the stock price. Though this is, you can look like green, so it's increasing, but still the overall is based on all these sentiment and etc features. If I give 1,000, what will be the loss or gain? So this is the simulation, and yeah, it shows 15 positive news and 5 neutral news out of a given strategy. And the investment strategy is sell. Yeah, as I informed, the combined score, sentiment score, the technical score, based on these So it shows recommended investment is $0 because you don't need to recommend anything, and the risk level is very moderate. Also, the risk level is nothing, but the opportunities we can give is positive news sentiment. Also, entry strategy, it's saying not to enter. So if it is different, it will give a different enter and what are the target price we have to have. So it tells now to wait for better signals and avoid new position. It also gives exit strategy. So it also gives exit strategy. So stop loss $100, you have to exit. So what are the key positions and how much portfolio. We also have a technical analysis, which says whether it is, as you can see, it's a short term also bearish and long term it's bearish. It means it's decreasing. So based on this, it will show what are the, at last we also have the news. The news analysis, it shows what are the news. It is neutral, this is positive. So based on these news only, this articles only, the final output is given. So this is the complete project on stock market analysis.